Hello everybody. I'm here. This is day 7, and I'd like to show you where we are with the Bermuda seed. So we just started getting a lot of this up the last day or so. If you look over, we're getting a lot of germination now, and I've stepped on some of this, but you can see a lot of germination. But overall, you can't, it doesn't look like anything. But within the dead grass, we've got some new grass. Yeah. So what we also have in this is some weed. So we'll pull that up. If we come over here, look at this. This is some old Bermuda that's grew up over the last week. Guess I didn't kill all of it. I could pull this up, but honestly, I'm not going to worry about it because you can see we've got some new seed coming in, and this is going to be a much better Bermuda. If we look down here, some more seed or grass. There's a weed. We'll go ahead and pull that one up. One thing I'm getting is a lot of moss right here. Grass is still coming up through it, but it's kind of worrisome, but what do you do about it? If you got any suggestions on handling moss after seeding, let me know. I guess I've been watering so much. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to cut back the watering to maybe 3 times a day instead of 4 and see if that helps. Also, what you can't see here is I've just applied RGS at the max rate and Air8 at the max rate. I've already applied the Humic 12 plenty of times, so I had not applied RGS yet. And look at this. Oh yeah, here we go, baby. So I had not applied RGS yet, so this is the first time I applied that. I wanted to wait till some seeds had germinated, and then I hadn't applied Air8 in a while, so yeah, it's starting to look good. This right here, I believe, is a weed. I don't see why all the other ones are so small and this one's big, so I'm just gonna pluck that out. Pluck this one out. So that's what I've been doing, is trying to pick the weeds out when I can. Here's some more. Yeah, we'll go ahead and pluck that one. I've stepped on this, like I said. I was applying the RGS and Air8, so hopefully I haven't damaged anything. But gotta get it done. Alright, appreciate it, guys. See you later.